Hi, I wanted to talk briefly about our custom file today. We've given you a little gift in here that goes along with our Songtracker system. Currently, I am on the home base screen that opens up with all our buttons here. And I just wanted you to see there's a coffee cup button up here called Custom, and I want you to go ahead and click that. Or you can just watch the video. This takes you to a screen. This is another file right here called Custom. It does nothing for Songtracker. What we decided was to give you a simple starting point for your own custom file. That way, if you have some place you want to keep your photos, or say you have a dentist business or something on the side, I don't know. Whatever it is you want to do, if you want to keep track of data, and it doesn't fit into Songtracker, we understand that. We've given you some starter fields. Here's user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4. You just put your data in. Your company number's in here if you wish to use that. You can read this. There's a record ID and auto entry. Just some basic fields. Now you can add your own fields as needed. We've given you 10 user fields to start out with. And the other nice thing about this is if you created your own file in FileMaker Pro, you could do that, and you still can, but you wouldn't have all the links set up that are so nice. So what we've done is give you a link back to the people file. If you'll notice, you've got the people button here. You've also got evaluate, profile, promo details. You've got other buttons here that you don't need. I'd leave it right on these. But say you're over here doing something with a photograph and then you want to go back to your people file, you just click that. If you need to get back into to the custom file, you'll need to go up here to your home base button, click the target, click on main, and then you'll have actually on either screen, you'll have the custom. Just click custom and you're back over there. So let's try that one more time. Home base button, click main, and there's the button right there. So you can just look for the coffee button. If you don't see it, click the previous, or next, I mean, the previous button, and that'll show it, or it should be there. Actually, if you don't see it, then it would be the next button showing. You have 2 rows of buttons that are possible. So if you don't see the coffee mug, you could just click next, and there it is to get there. So it makes it real simple. You could also, if you go over to people and you're on this screen and you click on one of these fields, one of these buttons, and you update a phone number or something. If you want to go back to the custom file, you can always go down here to the hide button and click that, and you'll be right back where you previously were before you went over to people. So basically, it's storing the custom file is right behind people. So if you hide it, it sends the people file to the back, and whatever's underneath it, which is custom, would be right there. So that's helpful also. So I hope that's helpful to you. You can utilize that and create your own file. I don't advise you doing that right off the bat, of course. We've just got a sample. This is a container field, so you could use it for photos or videos or anything you want. Not your Songtracker stuff, but say other stuff. Say you want to do a photo collection for some other reason, or you have a different business, and you want to keep it all within your files each day that are open. You could customize this file, and you can add files by going into File, Manage Database. For example, if you need to add fields, this is where it all is. We've already put all the button fields in here for you for the top and bottom, and then there's user fields here. But so don't delete any of these fields or you won't have proper navigation. But I'm not going to get into that. That's you understanding FileMaker Pro. If you decide you want to go that route, I'm going to click cancel to get out of here. Just to let you know it's here. There are a few scripts in here as well. You'll see. And you can add to those as needed. But we get you started. So really we've done 25 hours of work for you that'd save you a lot of time. Okay. Hope that's helpful.